Good morning. Today's July 18th, and here's a quick market update for the Martin, St. Lucie, and Palm Beach County areas of Southeast Florida. And on the MLS, we have added 111 new listings so far this weekend, and only 58 have sold. The current 30-year interest rate for the national average is 3.26%. And I want to highlight an open house that I'll be doing. If you're in the Hobe Sound area, today from 1 to 4, I'll be doing an open house at 10880 Southeast Stern Lane. This is in the Harbour at Hobe Sound. One reason why I want to point this home out for today is that we just installed a new metal roof. So this original picture right here of this composite shingle, this is all now brand new metal roof, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,600 square feet. It has an oversized 2-car garage. Some of the really nice things about the neighborhood: this is a boating community with a marina, also a dry boat storage. You can also store an RV in there, and has a very large clubhouse for entertaining with a commercial grade kitchen. I'm just going through a few other photos here, getting to, there's the marina right there, and you can see going out into the intercoastal. You can go to the left or the right to get to the St. Lucie River Inlet or the Jupiter Inlet. And let's see, right over, I don't know if you can see my arrow or not, but there's the dry boat storage, the clubhouse, the pool, and then the marina right there. This is located in the old Hobe Sound area off of Gomez Avenue, which is walking distance to the beach, very close to shops and restaurants in the Village Square area of Hobe Sound, which they've done a renovation on the Bridge Road. So if you haven't been there, or if you haven't been there in a while, drive down Bridge Road and drive out to Hobe Sound Beach, and you'll get a feel for the area of Hobe Sound. And between 1 to 4, come by and see me at 10880 Southeast Stern Lane, and I'll put a link in the comments for a little bit more details on this home. All right, if you have any other questions about the Martin, St. Lucie, or Palm Beach County areas of the Treasure Coast, please do give me a call. My name is Joe Capra, and my phone number is area code 772-999-1979. I hope you have a great day.